Hello, everyone. Welcome to another part of the Project Atlantis and the fifth part of the accessories miniseries. And today we will take a look at the second to last, which is, as you can see, Beliskner. Why Beliskner? Well, first, why not? Second, because in the second episode of the third season of Atlantis, we know that Weir and Woolsey were transported to Atlantis via Asgard ship. It wasn't shown, it wasn't mentioned what ship it was, but I decided to go with Beliskner. Sure, O'Neill would make more sense, but I cannot help it, I like Beliskner design more. So that is why I chose it. Now, as you can see, the ship is massive. Compared to other ships, it's really big and bulky. But that's as it's supposed to be. Asgard ships were really big. Uh, as a matter of fact, the ship would theoretically should be even bigger because from the first episode from the first episode of the fourth season of SG1, we know small victories. We know that O'Neill and Beliskner are roughly the same size. We see the two ships next to each other on Othala. And from the episode Unnatural Selection, we know how tiny Prometheus was compared to O'Neill. If you take a look, the Prometheus here is still really small compared to the Beliskner, but theoretically it should be even smaller. But I went with this scale simply for the convenience. So this is the only ship for which I can honestly say that the scale is a little bit off. But in overall, I think it still is kind of nice. Okay, enough of the rambling, and now we will take a look at the ship. It's very primitive, and basically this ship only consists of two halves, four pins, and that's it. So we only have upper part and bottom part, and four pins that hold everything together, and that's it. And then we have a stand that will go to the city. So yeah, as you can see, very primitive, and thus we will now go to print it. Okay, so here is one half. As you can see, I already inserted all four pins, and here is the second half, and all we do is to put the two together. And that's it. Yeah, I will kind of fix the painting. I see that I missed a few spots, but yeah, that's it. It's big, but it's supposed to, because Asgard ships are massive. And here is the stand. So now we will insert it into Atlantis. Okay, so we will take it and put it here. Okay, so it is there, and now the Beliskner has landed. So yeah, as you can see, the ship is really big compared to the city, or compared to any other ships. Well, maybe here the Aurora, but as you can see, Aurora is much more sleeker. Yeah, so far the biggest ship. Okay, so I hope you liked it, and as you can see, one last remains. So we will see each other in the last part, which will be next time. Have a very nice day, and bye bye.